episode on Kidsstoppress, and we're super excited for this one as always because we have Kanishka with us and she's going to teach us how to make a very own bird feeder.
All in 3 steps.
Wow.
Any bird feed, jawar or bajri, all-purpose flour, sugar syrup, unflavored gelatin, a heart mold, wool, a pair of scissors, lukewarm water and a bowl to mix. We quickly mix in the gelatin and the warm water here. So here putting the bird feed, flour, the sugar syrup and the gelatin. Quickly mix in the whole thing together just so that everything binds nicely. So we have a heart-shaped mold here which we are going to fill with the bird feed mixture. We fill it nicely with the bird feed and press it hard so that the whole thing is compact and doesn't fall out.